Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make amazing ToCa BoCa tacos, a fun and creative culinary adventure. First, let's gather all our essential ingredients. You'll need soft tortillas, your favorite protein like seasoned chicken or savory beef, and a colorful array of fresh toppings. Think crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, shredded cheese, and zesty salsa. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable for everyone involved. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time to prepare the star of your taco, the protein. Whether you've chosen chicken, beef, or a plant-based alternative, cook it thoroughly on a stovetop or in an oven until it's perfectly done. Don't forget to season it generously with delicious spices like cumin, chili powder, and garlic for that authentic flavor. Make sure it reaches a safe internal temperature, usually around 165 degrees Fahrenheit for poultry, ensuring a tasty and safe meal. With your protein perfectly cooked, it's time for the exciting part, assembling your tacos. First, gently warm your tortillas. You can do this in a dry pan for about 30 seconds per side or briefly in the microwave, making them soft and pliable. Next, spoon a generous amount of your delicious, seasoned protein onto the center of each warm tortilla. Finally, pile on your favorite fresh toppings, creating a colorful and mouth-watering masterpiece that's ready to be devoured. The best part about ToCa BoCa tacos is the endless customization. Don't be afraid to experiment with different sauces like creamy guacamole, cool sour cream, or a fiery hot sauce to add an extra kick. Offer a wide variety of toppings so everyone can build their perfect taco, exactly how they like it. Serve your incredible homemade tacos immediately while they're fresh and warm. Enjoy your delicious creation and have fun with your culinary adventure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.